Our top story today is really a top story because this is where I really think things are going to change. So it has a lot of very interesting things happening, and we'll talk about it all in the story. I'm quickly going to give you a little synopsis of the main reasons why I think this is great. Number one, this is a Chromebook. For those not familiar, we'll actually make you familiar with why I believe that this could be the future of computing. Then it's got a processor from MediaTek. Yes, MediaTek, the company that actually makes incredible processors for mobile phones, now puts one into a laptop. What could that do? How could it change the game? What does it bring to the game of laptops? So we'll take a look at this laptop because, like I said, this can really change things. By the way, nice looking, great color. Want to know the price? Around 20,000 rupees.
We hold in our hands the future. This is no idle claim. This literally is the future in our hands. Let us tell you why. This is a Chromebook, a laptop with an operating system that may well be how we will all compute in the future. It's also a laptop that is powered by a brand new chipset, that too from MediaTek. Yes, MediaTek, the chipsets company that powers mobile phones, is now powering a laptop. So all the benefits of that, including running cool, running fast, incredible performance and great battery life. Running on MediaTek's latest MT8183 processor, this laptop promises to deliver a fiery performance. This is also a device that not only provides the power of a laptop, but combines it with the convenience of an Android tablet, something we all need and want. Now that we're all charged up, let's get to the review. Starting with the aesthetics, a very unique indigo blue shade with a matte finish that looks chic and very stylish. Very compact design, yet robust build quality without adding any extra weight. This is just 1.05 kilos. The compact profile also adds to the portability since the Chromebook easily slips right into our bag. On the connectivity front, we get limited yet practical options. There is one USB Type-A port, a USB Type-C port and the 3.5mm headphone jack. There's also an SD card slot giving the user an option to expand the storage space up to 256 GB. The Chromebook 11A comes with an 11.6-inch HD anti-glare panel. The display is super bright, produces vibrant colors and great detail. And as this is hybrid, the display on the Chromebook is also touch capacitive. Swipe, tap or scroll, the panel gave precise feedback. The keyboard is excellent too. Good tactile feel, chiclet style keys and satisfactory travel. Let's explore the operating system because many are not aware of what a Chromebook is. Now, unlike a conventional PC, the 11A does not run on a traditional operating software like Microsoft Windows or Mac OS. It is powered by Chrome OS. A little different, but it has a very smooth UI. It does have a learning curve to it if you're coming from a Windows environment, but it is very intuitive and you should be up and running in a few minutes. The fluid experience and snappy performance is a very interesting experience because there is no lag for anything. Additionally, just like a typical Google run device, you get unprecedented access to 1 million Android apps from the Google Play Store, which can be stored on the Chromebook because it comes with 64 GB of internal storage. It also has Google Assistant and of course the most important thing in a pandemic world, the camera on the front for all of our online sessions and video calls. HP provides an HD camera on the 11A which delivers satisfactory image quality. Now to the main magic in this device, the beast inside. MediaTek's latest MT8183 octa-core processor which absolutely puts the pedal to the metal. This next generation chipset combines an octa-core CPU with 4 ARM Cortex-A73 big cores and 4 Cortex-A53 cores, all of which operate up to 2 GHz. This fantastic combination translates into quick processing speeds and virtually non-existent loading screens. We have to say that it takes some getting used to as things move at lightning fast speed because of the new processor from MediaTek. Almost like a flagship mobile phone, it's all instantaneous. Also, the integrated Mali G72 GPU means that a user can take a break sometimes and enjoy a light gaming session as well. The efficiency of this chipset and MediaTek's expertise in this field also makes its presence felt in the battery optimization of the 11A. Clocking in 16 to 18 hours on a single charge, the Chromebook should last well over a typical working day, maybe even 2 days, which is really impressive. And with that, it's time for our verdict. The Chromebook 11A is a stellar representation of how good a Chrome OS device can be. This product successfully gives a fresh take on why changing our general computing habits is not a bad idea. Now for the price. And that's where things become even better. At 21,999 rupees, it is a perfect product for students, professionals, work-from-home warriors, and people moving to a laptop for the first time as well. Anyone who wants a glitch-free performance from the software and the power-packed performance from the hardware should look at this one very seriously.